Buddha, you the GOAT, boy.
What's poppin'? Y'all better proceed with caution. My team in the top 10 believe in the process. Pull up, then we pulling out trays like we bartender savior. I'm God's in the space with the Martians. Fuck fame, cause the fame is what made me so heartless. We will never be the same, people, the things I accomplished. Flow so dope that you may need some boxing. Whoa, whoa. Said they really want a feature till I hit them like no. No, Austin Powers in the cut, never lost my mo. Joe, drop Tony on my neck, now my chest got a snow globe. See, look what I'm saying is, she said I'm the shit that's a diarrhea. Put the pieces together like I'm Ikea. R.I.P. pump playing, not a player. And his jacket got fabric from alligators. Grab the pistol, then draw it like animation. Screaming R.I.P. Billy, he's glad I made it. Obsessed with success and I can't escape it. I pull out and I shoot like ejaculation, I goes in. Always been consistent with content. I'ma drop this and take a trip to the tropics. Fat boy swag like Christopher Wallace. I do it for my guys on the strip in the Gaza. Come too close, get clipped, I'm the barber. Ready for the war, no dents in my armor. Everything I do make them sweat, no sauna. I love her cause she give me long neck, no llama. Checks got commas, I'm rich as fuck. I had to trade a Honda Civic for a Bentley truck. I'm all gas, no brakes when I hit the blunt. And if they really got a problem, here's a dick to suck. I'm on fire, see a truck with a hose out front. In your city on stage in a sold out club. It's like an insane asylum cause the whole crowd nuts. Came a long way from sleeping on a fold out, bruh. Go to sleep with these balls like I'm locked up in prison in a scope. Long range, every shot's with precision. Shoot them so far away, they in shock when they hit them. Propane in my veins and a heart for the venom. Y'all must think that I'm a psycho, cause I could do this with a blindfold. I'm getting used to going viral. We got red hairs like Sideshow. Take a hit and get your mind blown. Let's just leave it on a high note. They listen to me on the iPhones. This shit is fire, I'm a pyro. What's poppin'? Y'all are making me sick, I'm nauseous. Better open that door, I'm knocking. Get punched in the face, lose conscience. Watch me do my dance, I'm Carlton. Put the Glock in your mouth like a lozenge. Y'all snitch like Dwight from the office. They ain't never seen a fat boy ballin'. Let me dip my strips, I'm saucing. I just put this beat in a coffin. Man, I do this shit too often. I said you better proceed with caution, yeah. Still my style, if you got it on wish. I ain't falling off, dog, you might wanna watch this. Give him hit after hit after hit like I cannot miss. Jack Harlow, you really should've got me on this. For real, let me chill, I'ma mind my beeswax. Please pass me the weed, I need that. Gotta keep it on Dre, that's 3 stacks. Heard the beat, got the chills and relapse. It's Mercury.
Buddha, you the GOAT, boy.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's